Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 is equal to 1. To find the value of x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 7 and plus x to the power of 6. In the first step, we start by x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 7 plus x to the power of 6. This equation is equal to x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 5, and from this and this we factor x to the power of 4. So x to the power of 4 bracket. This divided by this is x to the power of 3, and this divided by this is x to the power of 2. From here we have x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2, and from this is 1, so it will be x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 5 plus this is 1, so this is 1, and 1 times x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 4. In the next step, from here and here, from this and this, we factor x to the power of 2, so it will be x to the power of 3. From here, from this and this, we factor x to the power of 2, so x to the power of 2 bracket. This divided by this is x to the power of 3, and this divided by this is x to the power of 2. And also here we have x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2, and this is 1, so this is 1. So it will be x to the power of 3, x to the power of 2 times 1 is x to the power of 2. And here we have x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2, so this is 1. So this is equal to 1. So our answer for x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 5 plus x to the power of 7 plus x to the power of 6 is 1. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.